Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook ad account. So congratulations, you want to run Facebook or Instagram ads. In order to do that, you need an ad account. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so step one, go to the business side of Facebook, which is business.facebook.com. I can put it in the description for you, but you should also just be able to go type that in. So business.facebook.com. When you get there, it's going to ask you to create a business portfolio thing. Okay. Now I already have one on my screen, but if I was going to create a new one, it would look like this. Business portfolio name. This is probably what you see right now. You can put in whatever you want. It can be your actual business name. If you don't have a real business, you could just put your name. It doesn't really matter. Put in your first name, your last name, and a business email. If you don't have a business email, just use your regular email, Gmail, whatever you want. All right. Then we hit create. Then that will basically bring you into your business portfolio inside of Facebook. Once we're here, you'll see it says no ad accounts. Go to business settings, or you might already be in the settings. So we'll click business settings. And now it brings us to a place like this. It says no ad accounts added. So there's a blue button. We click add. And now it says create a new ad account, add an existing, or request. We're going to go ahead and click create new ad account. Ad account name, this can be whatever your heart desires. So for me, I'll name it Grant Cooper TV ad account 2 because I already have one. Time zone, I recommend that this is the time zone that you live in because when you're running ads, you want to be able to do day by day type of stuff. So make sure you do it where you are currently operating your business, where you're going to be running ads from that time zone. Okay, and currency, pretty self-explanatory. Do the currency that your business operates in. We'll hit next. Usage, who will be using it? My business or another business? For most of you, it's going to be my business. So go ahead and click my business and click next. Are you sure you want to continue? The ad account will be created and added to this business portfolio. Go ahead, agree, and hit create ad account. Okay, perfect. So the next thing, ad account created successfully. Awesome. It says, would you like to add a payment info for your ad account? Yes, you would, because in order to run ads on Facebook, you need to have payment info. So go ahead and click add payment info. You can go ahead and put your location, time zone, hit next. Okay, it's going to ask you for business location and currency. It's going to ask you for business and tax information. It's optional. You don't really need to put this in. If you want to, go ahead. I don't know anyone that does want to put this in, but go ahead and put it in if you want. You don't need to. Add your payment method. This is not optional. You can't run ads unless you do this. Put in a credit card, debit card. I highly recommend using a credit card. If you're about to spend a lot of money on ads, you're gonna rack up a ton of credit card points. This is a really fun, cool way to travel the world for free. Total side note, maybe I'll do a video on that. If you guys want that, put a comment below. But anyway, yeah, you're gonna rack up a lot of credit card points running ads on Facebook, especially if you start scaling your ads. So use a credit card here. Okay, and then so yeah, add that, put in your information, click save. Voila, we're done. Congratulations, you created an ad account. Guys, if you are looking for ad tips, like how to run the ads, how to scale the ads, how to make money from running ads, in the description below, I have access to a free ad community. It's literally called Data Driven Ads. In there, we teach you how to run ads online. And again, my whole goal is to give you as much free content as I can to help you make money with your ads. I own an ad tracking software, so eventually if you're making a ton of money from your ads, you'll come and maybe use my software one day to help you track your ads. That's it. But anyway, go ahead and click that down in the description. Like and subscribe this video if this helped you create your ad account. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.